If you're trying to figure out how to use accounting tools to justify business deductions, this video is going to make your life a whole lot easier. And by the end, you'll know exactly what to do and how to back it up if the IRS ever comes knocking. The truth is, a ton of people are leaving money on the table simply because they don't have a clear process to track, categorize, and justify their business expenses. But once you get the hang of using the right accounting software, it becomes fast, repeatable, and almost automatic. I tested all the most popular tools out there, and I'll be showing you how to do this with the software I recommend. There's an exclusive free trial just for viewers of my channel in the description if you want to follow along. The key to justifying business deductions is solid record keeping. Every expense needs to be documented with a receipt, categorized properly, and tied to a legitimate business purpose. The software we'll be using simplifies this with three main tools: smart receipt capture, automated categorization, and built-in reports you can export at tax time. Start by connecting your bank account or credit card. This lets the software automatically import your transactions in real time. Then go through each expense and tag it with the correct category. Office supplies, meals, travel, software subscriptions, whatever applies. The more consistent you are here, the easier it'll be when it's time to file taxes or answer any questions from your accountant. Next, upload receipts. Most tools let you take a picture with your phone, and the software will auto-match it to the expense. This is your proof. It doesn't matter if it's a $7 coffee during a client meeting or a $700 flight to a conference. If it's business related, you need the receipt attached to the transaction. If you're ever audited, this is what protects you. After that, go to the reporting dashboard. The software automatically compiles all deductible categories and shows you totals, perfect for quarterly tax estimates and year-end filings. You can download these reports with a single click and send them straight to your accountant. It's also a great way to review what's actually costing your business money. Now here's something most people overlook. Add short notes to large or unusual expenses. Just a couple of words explaining the business purpose can go a long way if you ever need to defend the deduction. Most tools give you a field to do that directly under each transaction. Before we wrap up, one more pro tip. Set a monthly reminder to review your deductions. Waiting until tax season is a mistake. When you check in regularly, you catch errors, missing receipts, or miscategorized expenses while it's still fresh. So here's the key takeaway. The best way to justify business deductions is to be organized and consistent, and the right accounting software makes it insanely easy to do that. Link your accounts, categorize everything, attach receipts, and export clean reports. That's the system. Quick recap: connect your financial accounts, categorize every transaction, upload receipts, leave notes on big expenses, and use monthly reports to stay audit ready. It takes less than 10 minutes a month once you've set it up. Don't forget, the software I use today comes with an exclusive free trial just for viewers of this channel. The link is in the description, and I highly recommend you check it out if you're ready to take control of your business deductions and avoid headaches later. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next quick tutorial.